Okay, hello. Today we're going to be using the FOIL method to multiply two binomials. So what is the FOIL method? Well, it just helps you keep track of how to multiply this. So here are the two binomial terms. The first term is a plus b, and then the second binomial term is c plus d. So FOIL is actually a mnemonic. It helps you keep track of what you're doing when you're multiplying these together. So F is for first. So the first part of each binomial. So the first part of the first term is A, and then the first part of the second binomial is C. So you get A and C for the first. O is for outers. So A and D in this case, because they're the outer terms when you have the two binomials sitting next to each other. Then I is for inners. So the inner terms when you have the two binomials sitting next to each other. So B and C. And then L is for last. So the last term of each binomial. So we got A plus B. The last term there is B. The last term of the second binomial is D. So B and D. And this helps keep track of what I just said. So let's start multiplying this together. So F is for FOIL. So first, so A and C. We're going to find them here, and we're going to multiply them to get AC. And at the bottom of the screen, I'm just going to keep track of what we did. You add all these terms together once you find them based on the mnemonic FOIL. So O is for outers, A and D. We're going to find A and D. We're going to multiply them to get the term AD, and we're going to add it on. So AC plus AD. The next letter is I. So inners, B and C. We're going to find B and C. We're going to multiply them together to get the term BC, and we're going to add it on. So we got AC plus AD plus BC. And the last letter for FOIL is L. So last, B and D. We're going to find B and D. We're going to multiply them together to get the term BD, and we're going to add it on. So we find that the quantity A plus B times the quantity C plus D is equal to AC plus AD plus BC plus BD, because we followed the FOIL method. So we're going to look at example problem, the quantity x plus 7 times the quantity x plus 4. So we got our nice little mnemonic FOIL on the side, and we're going to identify each term that is being referred to. So x times x times 4, 7 times x, 7 times 4. And we're going to find their product. So for the first, we're going to find x squared. For the outers, we're going to find 4x. For the inners, we're going to find 7x. And for last, we're going to find 28. And we're going to add those all together. But we're going to find that we have 4x and 7x, and we know that those are like terms and can be combined. So simplifying that, we find that the quantity x plus 7 times the quantity x plus 4 equals x squared plus 11x plus 28. Okay, and then we're going to try one last problem. So the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x plus 2. So we got our helpful mnemonic on the side, FOIL, and we're going to find the terms that it's referring to. So the first terms of each binomial is x for both cases. The outer terms, so x and 2. The inners, so 3 and x. And the last, so 3 and 2. We're going to find their product. So we got x squared for the first, 2x for the outers, 3x for the inners, and 6 for the last. And we're going to add those all together. But like the previous problem, we're going to see that we can combine like terms. In this case, 2x and 3x. So then when we combine those, we find that the quantity x plus 7 times the quantity x plus 4 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. So hope this was helpful. I found that this meme was very motivational, and it was a nice little review of what we did. So thank you for watching this.